Are weight loss shortcuts finally real, or is this just another product making big promises? The Ourlyard GLP-1 6-in-1 is being pushed online as a miracle solution that supposedly mimics powerful GLP-1 drugs, like tirzepatide, using nothing more than oral drops and microneedle patches. According to the company, this single product can melt fat, fix obesity, improve diabetes, heal your heart, ease joint pain, and even cure sleep apnea, all within just 7 days. Sounds incredible, right? But when you look closer, things don't really add up. For one, real GLP-1 medications like tirzepatide are complex prescription-only injectables, and it's scientifically impossible for the same effects to be delivered through a patch or a few drops under your tongue. Then there's the marketing. The brand pushes authority by showing so-called doctors and experts. But many of these turn out to be AI-generated faces or completely made-up identities, like a fake Professor Jonathan Reed who doesn't exist anywhere outside their ads. The testimonials are another red flag, with dramatic claims of 10 to 20 pounds lost in just 2 weeks, alongside before and after photos that are easily traced back to stock image websites. They also lean heavily on bold claims like being FDA approved, clinically tested, having over 9 million satisfied customers, and a 1% return rate. Yet none of these are backed by evidence, and there's no record of any clinical trials or FDA listings to support them. When all of this is put together, the product's promises become shaky at best. While the idea of an easy, side effect-free weight loss solution is tempting, the science just doesn't support the claims being made here. So the question remains, is the Ourlyard GLP-1 6-in-1 a breakthrough, or just another clever marketing scheme? Based on what we see, it's worth being cautious before believing the hype.